Welcome to Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories. The enigmatic tale of Pythagoras is enveloped in the mists of antiquity. His existence is an intricate tapestry, woven with threads of both fact and fable, making it an arduous task to disentangle the two. The layers of myth and reality are so deeply intertwined that separating them is akin to unraveling a complex ancient riddle. He was born on the picturesque Greek island of Samos around 570 BC. This island, renowned for its rich cultural heritage and storied history, served as the perfect cradle for the birth of a legend. The serene landscapes and vibrant culture of Samos provided a fertile ground for the blossoming of a mind destined to leave an indelible mark on history. Very little is known with certainty about his early years. The historical records are scant, and much of what we understand comes from sources written long after his time. The fragments of information that have survived through the ages offer only glimpses into the formative years of this extraordinary individual. In the absence of concrete evidence, legend and speculation fill the void. Stories handed down through generations paint a vivid picture of a curious and exceptionally intelligent young man. These tales, though often embellished, provide a window into the character and aspirations of the young Pythagoras. Some accounts suggest that Pythagoras embarked on extensive travels during his youth. These journeys were not merely physical but also intellectual, as he sought to absorb knowledge from a multitude of cultures. His wanderlust and insatiable curiosity drove him to explore distant lands and immerse himself in the wisdom of diverse civilizations. It is believed that he may have journeyed to the ancient land of Egypt, where he delved into the esoteric secrets of the priests. The profound wisdom of the Egyptians, particularly in the realms of mathematics and astronomy, would have left an indelible mark on him. The sacred temples and the enigmatic hieroglyphs must have been a source of endless fascination and inspiration. He might have ventured even further east to the ancient civilizations of Babylon and Persia. These regions were celebrated for their advanced knowledge in various disciplines, including mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. The rich intellectual traditions of these cultures would have provided a treasure trove of insights and ideas. These extensive travels would have exposed him to a vast array of knowledge and diverse traditions. The libraries he visited and the scholars he encountered would have provided a treasure trove of information. The wealth of knowledge he amassed during these journeys would have been instrumental in shaping his philosophical and mathematical ideas. Regardless of the precise details, it is evident that Pythagoras was a relentless seeker of knowledge. His insatiable thirst for understanding propelled him to explore and learn from the most esteemed minds of his era. The intellectual rigor and the depth of inquiry that characterized his pursuits set him apart as a true polymath. He was irresistibly drawn to the profound mysteries of the universe and the enigmatic secrets of existence. The night sky, with its myriad stars and constellations, must have been a source of endless wonder and fascination for him. The celestial patterns and the cosmic order would have inspired his quest to uncover the underlying principles governing the cosmos. These intellectual pursuits would shape the course of his life and leave an enduring imprint on history. Pythagoras' legacy is not confined to his mathematical discoveries, but extends to his unquenchable quest to comprehend the world around him. His contributions to philosophy, science, and the understanding of the natural world continue to resonate through the ages, a testament to his extraordinary intellect and boundless curiosity. Pythagoras' extensive travels and rigorous studies across various ancient civilizations led him to a profound and life-altering realization. He meticulously observed the inherent order and harmony present in the natural world. The celestial movements of the stars, the rhythmic changing of the seasons, and even the intricate growth patterns of plants all seemed to follow predictable and harmonious patterns. These recurring patterns, he believed, could be precisely expressed and understood through the language of numbers. To Pythagoras, numbers were not just abstract symbols, they were the fundamental building blocks of reality itself. Each number, in his view, held a unique and special significance, imbued with its own distinct properties and meanings. The number 1, for instance, represented unity, the singular origin of all things, the source from which all existence flows. The number 2 symbolized duality, the essential balance of opposites, reflecting the harmony between contrasting forces. The number 3 represented harmony, the perfect union of mind, body and spirit, creating a balanced and holistic existence. These numerical beliefs and insights formed the very foundation of his philosophical teachings and worldview. To Pythagoras, numbers were not merely abstract concepts or tools for calculation. They held the profound key to understanding the universe and our place within it, revealing the hidden order and structure of all things. Around 530 BC, the renowned philosopher and mathematician Pythagoras established an influential school in the city of Croton, a prominent Greek colony located in the southern region of Italy. This institution was far from an ordinary educational establishment. It was in fact a clandestine society known as the Pythagorean Brotherhood, shrouded in mystery and exclusivity. The members of this enigmatic group were bound by solemn oaths of secrecy and were wholly dedicated to the relentless pursuit of esoteric knowledge and wisdom. The Pythagorean Brotherhood transcended the conventional concept of a school. It represented an entire way of life, a unique and holistic approach to living and learning. Members of this brotherhood lived communally, sharing all their possessions and strictly adhering to a rigorous code of conduct that governed every aspect of their lives. They held a profound belief in the concept of reincarnation and the transmigration of souls, which deeply influenced their spiritual practices and philosophical outlook. The ultimate goal of the Pythagorean Brotherhood was to achieve spiritual purification and enlightenment through rigorous study, disciplined self-control, and various ascetic practices. The Pythagoreans made groundbreaking contributions to multiple fields, including mathematics, music, astronomy and philosophy, leaving an indelible mark on the intellectual landscape of their time. They firmly believed that the universe was governed by immutable mathematical principles, and they devoted themselves to uncovering these principles through meticulous observation and deep contemplation. Pythagoras and his followers were deeply fascinated by the intricate and mysterious nature of music. They believed that music held profound and hidden secrets about the very essence and nature of reality itself. One day, as legend has it, Pythagoras happened to pass by a bustling blacksmith shop. He noticed with great curiosity that the sounds produced by the hammers striking the anvils created harmonious and pleasing tones. Intrigued by this phenomenon, he began to experiment with different lengths of string to uncover the underlying principles. Through his meticulous experiments, he discovered that strings with lengths in simple numerical ratios produced consonant intervals, such as the octave and the perfect fifth. This led him to a remarkable and groundbreaking insight. Musical harmony was governed by precise mathematical ratios. Pythagoras extended this profound principle to the vast cosmos. He envisioned the celestial bodies moving in perfect circular orbits, each producing a unique and harmonious tone based on its distance from the Earth and its speed of movement. He called this grand and elegant concept the harmony of the spheres, a symphony of the cosmos. Section 5. The harmony of numbers. The Pythagorean fascination with numbers extended far beyond the realm of music, permeating every aspect of their understanding of the world. They perceived mathematical relationships in the natural world, seeing patterns and connections everywhere they looked. Through their meticulous studies, they discovered that certain numbers, such as 6 and 28, are equal to the sum of their divisors, excluding themselves. These numbers, which they termed perfect numbers, held a special, almost mystical significance in their mathematical philosophy. Their exploration of geometric shapes led them to the profound discovery of irrational numbers, a concept that would revolutionize mathematics. For instance, they found that the diagonal of a square with sides of length 1 cannot be expressed as a ratio of 2 whole numbers, revealing the existence of irrational numbers. This groundbreaking discovery challenged their deeply held belief in the absolute and rational nature of numbers, shaking the very foundations of their mathematical worldview. Despite this intellectual challenge, the Pythagoreans remained undeterred, continuing their relentless exploration of the enigmatic world of numbers. They viewed numbers as the fundamental language of the universe, a divine key to unlocking the deepest secrets of creation and existence. Perhaps the most famous and enduring legacy of the ancient Greek mathematician and philosopher Pythagoras is the theorem that proudly bears his name, the Pythagorean theorem. This elegant and powerful theorem has captivated the minds of mathematicians, scientists and scholars for countless centuries, and its profound influence can be observed across a multitude of fields of study and practical applications. This seemingly simple yet profoundly insightful theorem articulates that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, the side directly opposite the right angle, is precisely equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This fundamental relationship is not only a cornerstone in the realm of geometry, but also serves as a pivotal foundation in the broader disciplines of trigonometry and algebra. The applications of this theorem are virtually limitless, spanning across mathematics, physics, engineering and architecture. Engineers harness its principles to meticulously design and analyze structures, ensuring their stability and safety. Physicists employ it to unravel complex problems involving forces and motion, while architects rely on its geometric precision to create buildings that are both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. The theorem is indispensable in calculating distances, designing structures, and solving a wide array of practical problems. Surveyors utilize the theorem to measure land with remarkable accuracy, and construction workers apply its principles to ensure that buildings and other structures are properly aligned and constructed to exacting standards. The elegance and utility of the Pythagorean theorem are a testament to the enduring power of mathematical reasoning. Its simplicity belies its profound impact, making it a favorite topic of study for both novice and experienced mathematicians alike, who continue to marvel at its beauty and versatility. While the theorem is named after Pythagoras, it remains uncertain whether he was indeed the first to discover it. The origins of the theorem are shrouded in the mists of antiquity, with compelling evidence suggesting that it was known to various ancient civilizations long before Pythagoras' time. Babylonian and Egyptian mathematicians had explored similar geometric concepts centuries earlier. The Babylonians, for instance, possessed a sophisticated understanding of geometry and were adept at solving quadratic equations, while the Egyptians ingeniously applied geometric principles in their architectural designs, creating some of the most enduring structures in human history. However, it is believed that the Pythagoreans may have been the first to provide a formal proof of the theorem. This formalization marked a significant milestone in the annals of mathematical history, laying the essential groundwork for future discoveries and advancements in the field, and cementing the theorem's place as a timeless mathematical truth. The profound legacy of Pythagoras and his followers extends far beyond the confines of a single mathematical theorem. Their deep emphasis on the interconnectedness of mathematics, music and the cosmos profoundly influenced thinkers and scholars for centuries to come. Plato, for instance, seamlessly incorporated Pythagorean ideas into his own philosophical doctrines, blending them with his unique insights. The Pythagorean Brotherhood, a secretive and influential group, also played a crucial role in the early development of Western science and thought. Their rigorous emphasis on observation, meticulous experimentation, and mathematical reasoning laid the essential groundwork for the scientific revolution that would unfold many centuries later. The Pythagorean belief in the transmigration of souls, the idea that the soul moves from one body to another after death, also had a lasting and profound impact on subsequent philosophical and religious thought. This concept, when combined with their strong emphasis on ethical living and moral conduct, significantly influenced the development of Western spirituality and ethical practices. Pythagoras' life and work, steeped in both mathematical rigor and mystical thought, continue to fascinate and inspire us today. His story, a blend of legend and historical fact, reminds us of the immense power of curiosity, the paramount importance of seeking knowledge in all its forms, and the enduring allure of the unknown, which has captivated human minds for millennia. While some of his ideas, such as the transmigration of souls and the harmony of the spheres, may seem mystical or even strange to modern minds, they reflect a profound and timeless desire to understand the universe and our place within it. The Pythagorean quest for knowledge, driven by a deep-seated belief in the power of numbers and their mystical properties, their belief in the interconnectedness of all things, from the stars in the sky to the patterns in nature, and their pursuit of harmony and balance in all aspects of life, remain profoundly relevant today. As we explore the vastness of space, peering through telescopes at distant galaxies, delve into the mysteries of the quantum world, where particles behave in ways that defy our everyday understanding, and grapple with the ethical implications of new technologies that challenge our moral frameworks, we are, in a very real sense, carrying on the Pythagorean legacy, a legacy that bridges the ancient and the modern, the mystical and the scientific. Pythagoras stands as a bridge between the ancient and modern worlds. His influence spans across centuries, touching various fields of study and thought. From mathematics to philosophy, his ideas have left an indelible mark on human history, shaping the way we perceive the universe and our place within it. He was a mathematician, a mystic, a philosopher, and a spiritual teacher. His contributions to mathematics, especially the Pythagorean Theorem, are still taught in schools around the world. But his impact goes far beyond numbers and equations, extending into the realms of metaphysics and esoteric wisdom. His story reminds us that science and spirituality are not mutually exclusive. Pythagoras believed in the harmony of the universe, a concept that resonates with both scientific inquiry and spiritual exploration. He saw the cosmos as a grand symphony, where each element played a part in a larger harmonious whole. They are two sides of the same coin, two ways of seeking truth and meaning in the universe. His teachings encourage us to look at the world through a holistic lens, integrating different ways of knowing and appreciating the interconnectedness of all things. The enduring allure of Pythagoras lies in his ability to inspire wonder. He saw the cosmos as a grand, interconnected system where numbers and geometry revealed deeper truths about existence. His vision of the universe was one of beauty, order, and profound mystery. He invites us to look beyond the mundane, to seek the hidden patterns and connections that govern our world. His work in geometry and music theory shows us that beauty and order can be found in the most unexpected places, revealing the underlying structure of reality. He reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. Each discovery opens up new questions, new avenues for exploration, and new mysteries to unravel. The quest for understanding is an endless adventure, filled with wonder and excitement, and that the greatest discoveries are often those that raise more questions than they answer. Pythagoras' legacy is not just in the answers he provided, but in the curiosity he sparked, encouraging generations to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. In the end, Pythagoras' greatest legacy may be the questions he posed, the mysteries he explored, and the intellectual curiosity he ignited in others. His life and work continue to inspire thinkers, dreamers, and seekers of truth, and the sense of wonder he continues to inspire in all who encounter his story. His life and work remind us that the quest for knowledge is a timeless journey, one that transcends the boundaries of time and space, inviting us to explore the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. Thank you for watching Learning Life content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories.